Let's take a look at how to install the Churchteams app on your phone. You would have gotten to this page in any of several ways. I want you to first see a few features before we install the app. By default, you'll see some standard options, including giving. If you're a volunteer, you'll see your volunteer schedule. And under contact preferences, you can control email list and text notifications. Now for the installation. On an iPhone, click the Install button at the top of the screen and a pop-up will appear pointing you to the Share icon along with instructions for adding the app to your home screen. So scroll down and add the app to your home screen. Next, you can rename the app or leave it as it is. The app with the Churchteams logo has now been downloaded onto your phone. Now let's look at an installation on an Android. Go ahead and begin by clicking the Install App button at the top of the screen. In the pop-up window, select Install. And simple as that, the app is now on your phone. Once installed on either an iPhone or Android, open the app and enter your email and password. If you haven't set this up yet, click Forgot My Password and an email will be sent to you. Next, you'll see a list of app features. If check-in is active at the time, click the blue button to check in your whole family. Next is follow-up. This will only appear if you have active or recent follow-up tasks. Then you'll see giving, followed by the volunteer schedule. The schedule allows you to add blockout dates, then shows pending invites, accepted dates, and declined. Moving down, you'll see groups, beginning with the groups you lead. You'll be able to take attendance and set up a volunteer schedule. The Events section will begin with current groups that you're registered for, followed by upcoming events open for registration. The Resources section is a place to house links to whatever you choose, such as sermons or the directory. And then finally, Contact Preferences, which will allow you to select email lists and opt out of notifications.